Salute. What's going on? It's your guy, Mr. Leverage, and you are with the Autopilot Money Get Money Headquarters channel. And today, if you clicked on this video, we're going to talk about the free money making funnel you can get access to right now. If you want to make money, and you want to have a funnel, you want to have a way to get in contact with your people, and you want to have a way that is easy and is duplicatable. And guess what? I got that for you right now for your Nexus Rewards and your Nexus Snap business. Let's get into it. Welcome back. As promised, if some of you have been following me and you subscribe to the channel, make sure you do that. I've been telling you I got a team funnel coming that came from my upline. We're the top #1 team in this company right now. We're just going to get bigger and bigger. And we're growing faster and faster. And one of the reasons we're doing that is because we have access to the things that's going to help our team move.
I need you to join this team now.
Timing is everything.
So for example, if you look on the screen right now, this is going to be the page that you get that comes along with your Nexus Reward account. They have a couple pages. One of them is actually a free page that pretty much talks more about the free things that you get. This one focuses more on the Nexus Snap Compensation Plan, where you can earn a lot of ways and it can be very lucrative from a $10 business. So, I mean, this is the page that they give you out of the box. And I have to say, it's a really, really good page just to come from a company. It's a really good page. One of the biggest things about this is as time continues, everybody will have the same page over and over and over again. So you'll begin to blend in as this blows up and gets bigger and bigger. Secondly, on top of that, how are you going to follow up with your people? They either only have one choice, to look at this or to join. And once they go away, they're gone and they're gone forever. So that's kind of not the smartest way to promote. You want to be able to capture your lead. You want to be able to follow up with your prospects and people who may want to join this, whether they want to join for free, whether they want to become a premium member, whatever the case is. So guess what? We've got that solved for you. And this is our team page funnel right here. So if you go here, this is a little bit altered from what actually comes with it because, you know, I have my Dream 100 and my golden ticket movement. We're going over here. So we had to switch it up a little bit so it works with what we're doing for our team over here. But this is what we got here. We got a really nice page. Most lucrative $10 program is here, and it definitely is. We'll come back and we'll play a little bit of that in just a moment. You go down. We got our 7-figure and our 8-figure earners. Now, this is all of our upline. Kawan Mayo, Mac Mills, and Cedric Harris. They're all our upline in this company. And if you know, they're 7-figure earner, 7-figure earner, 8-figure earner. Big people out here, big list. They got a lot of people already under their belt right now. So that's why I keep trying to tell you, you need to get in here with your boy. I'm under all these people right now. I'm in a sweet spot. And also when you come in, you get my spillover because I'm also, you see me on YouTube, I'm out here marketing. I have a long list of people to reach out to right now because I was waiting for this page to get done. I said, when I get this page done, I'm reaching out to everybody. It's done. I started reaching out and there's just going to be more and more people coming in from here on top of the marketing I'm already doing. But if you see, save and earn things that you use daily, you got our testimonials here. This looks real nice. I like the color scheme, how it works. These 2 videos here are very powerful. They're going to tell you everything you need to know about the opportunity. We got here, you can get a page like this one when you go premium. We got our golden ticket movement going on down here. We're doing our digital empire to March 1st. I know you don't know what that is, but subscribe and keep watching. It's coming. You're going to want to know what it is and how you can actually 10x and even 100x your output from your Nexus Reward business, from your Nexus Reward Snap Compensation Plan, where you're going to be making who knows what kind of money over there. We don't guarantee, but this process is working. People are building. Oh yeah, I got paid my commission today. I put it in for a Friday. I waited a little bit too late to put in my information. So I went in and told y'all to make y'all changes. I put in some of my information, but I didn't have it all totally completed. So now when I got it completed, my commission came through this Monday. So they do pay. And now I plan on making that a regular weekly thing and helping other people do the same thing. So again, if you look here, we have this really great page. This page is a secret. What we're using right now is converting very, very well. Up here, we have these buttons that you can click to watch another video here, another button here. And then this is actually our VIP support. So when you click onto our VIP support, we'll go there real quick. Again, Dream 100 stuff, golden ticket stuff when you join our team. So when you click here, you're going to go to our golden ticket area, where there's a countdown clock. This countdown clock is referencing right now to the January special, where if you get 5, they're going to pay you like you brought in 100 people at our diamond level, which they explain all that on the page. If you go to that page right now at the bottom, they'll explain diamond level, all those levels. But that's going to pretty much give you 100% check match on everybody you bring in the organization directly. So you want to make sure that you do that. So you got 9 days and 6 hours left before that goes away, February 1st. So take advantage of that. This is going to show you a little bit of what we got going on here. This is our live support link. So this one's active right now. You can come in there and ask any questions. I'm inside there. Your sponsors are inside there. And then also, if you come here, this is our Facebook group. We have our own personal Facebook group coming in a couple of days. We're going to be revamping it because on top of the Nexus Rewards, we're doing multiple streams of income. We actually have a system that's going to allow you to 10x, 100x this if you want to on the back end. So we got two teams here. Some people that want to focus strictly on Nexus Rewards, building that, and that's totally okay. And if that's the case, then this right here is going to be the perfect page for you. This page is free. When you join our team as a premium member, on top of that, we're going to also give you a 60-day email sequence. So we're going to give you a 60-day email sequence to go out over the period of 60 days. That's going to go out on your behalf. So you don't have to think about anything. It's already set up for you. All you got to do is go swap out your links. And there's going to be email sequence that's going to span over 60 days. That's going to reach out to your prospect and do the selling and telling for you and bring them right back here. And let's close out watching this video right here. And then when you want to see the rest, just go to the video, get signed up with me, get plugged in. I'll get you this page. I'll get you the emails. We'll get you set up and we'll get you out here. I'll get you some traffic sources and some more things that's coming down the road. You want to subscribe to this channel. I've got a lot more things coming that's going to help you do this. So let's close out with this video. Take action. My team is growing. Spill over. You're getting ready to miss out on it. I'd get in right now. As your next 10, 15 spots is going to solidify you. After that, now you're going to start waiting a little bit, but it's still going to be less than if you got into somebody who had 100, 200 people in right now. So
welcome to Nexus Rewards, where your savings journey begins. Unlock a world of savings and rewards that will change the way you experience everyday expenses in life. As a member, you gain access to our exclusive cashback and daily rewards apps, earning money back on your everyday purchases, and enjoying daily rewards that add up to significant savings over time. From gas to groceries, we got you covered. Save up to 40%. On movies, concerts, museums, theme parks, save up to 70%. On shopping, 70% on electronics, 75% on hotel and travel, 25% cashback on groceries, 90% on prescription medications, 40% on dining, $1,746 on automobile insurance. But that's not all. Our members also get access to a fantastic hotel and travel booking portal, saving big on flights, cruises, hotels, and attractions, making your dream vacation more affordable than ever. The perks don't stop there. You earn not only from your own savings, but also from the savings of others. When you share this amazing opportunity with others, you'll earn a fabulous Fast Start bonus and weekly commission, $25. Fast Start on your referrals, pays weekly. 10+ level Infinity referral program, pays weekly. 20% coded Infinity bonuses. 3x10 matrix that pays up to $2,460 a month, with 0 requirements, 100% check match, and more. You also earn from your free members who join through your referral. Build a global business in over 150 countries. Even our free members get to enjoy savings on essential expenses like gas and groceries. How would you like to earn $30 for everyone who joins for free? How about saving up to $1 per gallon of gas and then earning off every gallon the people you share with use as well? That can seriously add up to some nice cash. Join Nexus Rewards today for just $49 down, one time, and then $10 a month after. Say goodbye to overpriced travel and everyday expenses, and hello to a brighter, more affordable future. To learn more, click the Get Started button on the page and start saving right away. It costs you nothing to take the free tour, but could cost you everything if you don't.
So as you can see, that was a fire video and this is a fire page. So I recommend you get down with the team right now. My link is in the description. If you have any questions, you can check me out in live support. Also, my information is below. Get in now. Get ready to get your spillover. Get ready to promote so we can help you get your 5 before February 1st and take action. See you in the next video. Get the funnel. Let's get this money, y'all.